Hi, it's Justin Costello with Marinemax Pompano Beach. Going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Beautiful black gel coat hull, white bottom, 154 stroke motor. It's also got the elevation package, which gives you that nice wakeboard tower and bimini top combination. Let's hop aboard, show you what she has in it. Boat does come with that galvanized single axle trailer and a swing tongue. As we come on, you see we got a 12-volt charger in the back, so if you got any water toys you want to inflate for a day in the water, very easy to do so. Coming in, notice the A-side finished gel coat hatches, dedicated cooler storage, also a battery on-off switch down there. As we make our way in, we'll have 2 steps down into the cockpit. Love this gorgeous interior. It's called Dune. Storage under all these seats. And then this one actually turns into a cooler, so that is insulated and has a drain. Nice sun bed on the transom, as well as storage. So no lack of storage space at all in this 19 SPX. We got the 2 captain's chairs options. Notice the metal hardware on the grab handles, that is an upgrade. Got a Fusion stereo system on this boat, and a depth gauge, as well as your tachometer, speedometer, hour meter. Boat is rated for 10 people. Great opportunity on this 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX located at Marinemax Pompano. I'm Justin Costello. Just imagine yourself on the water right now with your friends, with your family. Go drop anchor, have lunch together, just go cruise intercoastal, cruise along the beach. Great way to distance yourself from others, but stick around your family. Nothing like the vitamin C. Again, Justin Costello, Marinemax Pompano Beach, 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.